driving through Lithuania, who juicing? Put your hands up if you juicing! Previously on Kimba TV. Who's getting the juicy Bugatti? Shit. Alright, so we broke 500K, y'all. And so I'm a little bit suspicious about this. I think, fuck around a little bit. Maybe we do this, eh? And then I'm sure that retail has something like that. As soon as it goes, market, retail trap, go fuck yourself. All right, check. Okay, so obviously, like, you would be watching for that sweep, right? Is anybody in a long? I'm not in a position right now, but did they take this? That's because that's juicy as fuck. Sweep with a confluence with golden pocket. That's super, super nice. Obviously, you're not going to try to knife catch that shit. Even if you had this fib, like, there's no way you would really be putting blind limits there. I think if you did, that's kind of risky. I don't know if you want to do that like 1,000 times. But after you saw that though, right? So did it fibby? So swing high, swing low. Oh, hell no. Okay, so it bounced at the 0.5. It went up. I bet this is golden pocket then. So if it does make a higher high, oh, hell no. So you had another opportunity. This one, 0.5'd it. Okay, that's fine. You're gonna keep doing this. You're gonna keep doing this. Okay, waiting here. Nope. Here, still waiting. Nope. Okay, what about here? Bing, 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 filled. Right? So wait for the sweep, be patient, continually do the swing high, swing low. It's gonna test the golden pocket at some point. I still would have done something like this, but I would have only gotten filled maybe on the first one just because that looks really sweepy. So I probably would have just been filled on something super tiny at that point. You could still do this, but you really wouldn't want to come back again. And then I'm assuming that this is golden pocket too. Oh, hell no. Oh my God. Yeah, so Kimba box short, TP a little bit, makes sense. Yeah, so I'm not in anything, but definitely interesting. So I'll probably bring this back. You know what would be kind of interesting? So it broke out, it faked, nuked. Okay, so that means that... Well, fuck, this is the line. We're going to keep that there. Any sort of price action above that is nice. Actually, you know what? Let's do it like this. We'll give the bears the benefit of the doubt. So actually, if I was going to long, I would much prefer that. Maybe sweep that one more time. That'd be pretty funny. For me, still a short would be like somewhere here. So that'd be a really nice, juicy short attempt. I don't know about this, but we'll keep the box there. Not much confluence, so interesting. All right, so that's like the 5-minute TA, and then what is S&P doing, y'all? Ah, shit. Okay. The fuck? I don't want to do that. Yeah. Wait. What does the bigger picture look like? Okay. We got some bola divas. So let's do this. This bull div to lose. All right. What else, you guys? Let's replace this. So 43.50 really shouldn't be lost. Okay. Maybe we also add the 44 hundo. Yeah. Spot did a bear div. Wow. So look. Which one's not like the other? 1 hour bear div. Coin margin contracts, 1 hour bear div. Stable coin, no. Bybit, no. Gucci Magooch. Gucci Magooch. So you already know what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This could be, we got to pay attention to this, y'all. You know, this, okay? This is the 4-hour candle, y'all. We get that with the, and on that div rise, we get a whole bunch of open interest like this. Specifically this guy right here. Right there. Give us that retail trap. Boom. Yeah, I mean, I think everything is really looking real good, y'all. We still could get fucked. We got to have our tight stop losses, but everything looks real good. I literally know exactly what I'm going to be looking for and doing. Do you guys? Doesn't make sense. Shit looks really good. Yeah. What do you guys think about all that? Woo-wee! Right? Give it up for the 382. 32K, I don't know about 32K. That's possible, but my first short attempt will probably be between the swing fail and the daily or weekly. So I know exactly what I'm looking for. And at the same time, if those 1 hour or 4 hour bear divs don't work out, if I don't see retail open interest getting trapped, then, you know, my confluence goes lower and lower. But holy shit, things are looking great. Things are looking great. I basically, at this point, I just want everybody to be like, we're going to 40K. Yes, sure. We're going to 40K. If I swear to God, if Carl the Moon or Crypto says 40, best believe I'm going short heavy. Okay, well, the next question would be, okay, so if we want that, like, where could we go next? You've got a sweep at 3150, 3160. And you've got, like, you know, time-based daily weeklies are like 31,340, 31,755. So that's basically, in conclusion, that is where I would be looking to think about shorting. I'm not going to say that I'm going to put blind limits in there, but that's all of that leads me to think about, okay, this is where I would think about shorting. And most likely, I would anticipate it being like a sweep. You know, so you already know how I would play a sweep. Alrighty. So obviously, we'll be watching like order flow and all that shit. But I think that's where we are right now. That is my plan, and that is the recap, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, so I have the 4 hour div, all right, and I'm aware of that. I'm gonna be watching open interest. I've got the 1 hour bear div that I'm sure we're gonna break. And then we've got the 15-minute Fibonacci and thangity thang things. Okay, let's see what happens. What was it? Oh, hell no. Huh. All right, guys, I will be on tomorrow, and I'll be on the other computer tomorrow. I recess 3 a.m. here, work at 8. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna head out. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'll be back home, so I'll be on the normal computer. I tried to wait as long as we could to see if we could get anything, you know, scammy to the upside or the downside, but yeah, I think you guys are still all right, though, right? All right, you guys, volatility coming in. Are you guys ready for this? Volatility coming in, y'all. The market makers know I'm going to be on a flight. Stay safe, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me officially trigger the volatility. Are you guys ready? All right, you guys. I'm rooting for each and every one of you, man. Stay safe. We have the levels pretty well identified. I think there's 2 areas where you could try to attempt along, but ideally I really want to get into that short up there. All right, you guys, I'm rooting for you guys. Have a great night. Thank you, crypto gangs. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna be on the other computer tomorrow. All right, you guys, have a great night, everybody. And Sato, what do you got to say for yourself?
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbit is my name, trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.